welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I am actually doing a clean the room, but I'm also doing a giveaway, so I just want to go over the giveaway rules. I am partnering with Rakuten for this giveaway, and one of you guys will be able to win $100. If you guys don't know what Rakuten is, it is the largest cashback website. You guys probably heard me talk about it a ton because I genuinely have been using it for years. It is just such a great tool to get money back for free. They partner with over 2,500 stores all the way from Ulta, Sephora, Walmart, Lululemon, Nike, Pandora, and so many more. How to use Rakuten is you just go on their site and click whatever store you want to shop on, whether that's Ulta or Walmart. You click that store and it will bring you to the store, and you just shop as normal. Once you check out, you will get cash back into your Rakuten account, and they pay you out every few months. They also have all the updated coupon codes and just like extra deals they have on stores on that website. So it really helps you to save money anywhere you can. So moving on now to the giveaway rules to win the $100. It is super simple. Of course, the first thing you have to do is just sign up to Rakuten. It is completely free. So that will be the first link. And once you sign up and make your first purchase of over 40, you get a free $40. Black Friday and Cyber Monday is around the corner. And what's really great about that is Rakuten is doing double cash back on Black Friday and Cyber Monday for all of their stores. So Ulta, Lululemon, Pandora, Walmart, you name it, this is the time to shop to make money back and also get your $40 just from signing up to Rakuten. And the second link in my description box is how you will enter the giveaway. But of course, for your entry to count, you need to make sure you do sign up to Rakuten through my link. And you have to just be subscribed to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my Instagram, which is just at NICOLETTAXO. So all of those giveaway rules will be in the description box. So enough of that with the giveaway rules. I am so excited for one of you guys to win $100. Make sure you guys do use Rakuten though during Black Friday and Cyber Monday if you want extra cash and if you want extra deals on stuff. While I'm filming this, it is November 20th, which is the day I'm supposed to pick up the keys to my new house. I can't, I am so excited. So I thought I would clean my room. I need to go through everything because you guys know me, it always ends up being a mess. And because I am moving so shortly, I've been cleaning a lot more often lately because I want it to just be clean so it's easier for the move. I just have too many clothes on the floor and I have way too much laundry that should have been done honestly yesterday, but we're gonna just pretend that didn't happen. There's just a bunch of garbage, basically. Story of my life. Let's get cleaning. By the way, when it comes to the bedding, I always get questions where this is from, so I will link it down below if you guys are curious. Bed Complete. Looks so much better, but this ain't looking too cute. You know I'm the ultimate lazy when I can just never close my drawers. Why does this always happen? Honestly, I'm probably not gonna organize these anyways because I'm gonna have to take all the clothes out for moving. So just ignore that for me. It's gonna have to do. This, unfortunately, I'm afraid to say that they're all dirty clothes. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to wash all these, and those over there are dirty clothes as well. I'm gonna pick these up and try to fit them into that, which honestly, it's looking a little full. A little tight, not gonna lie. Close it so it looks like it never happened. Literally doesn't even close all the way. I did a cleaning the closet, which I will totally link that above and down below for you guys, but I've actually kept it clean. Honestly, I'm a little bit shocked. Totally gonna give myself a pat on the back because it's been a good few weeks and it pretty much looks the same in that video as it does now. So at least we got one thing organized and cleaned. The room is just a work in progress that I'm still trying to work on. fiance actually wrote all these things, and look at this. Get keys to house, November 20th. I got my cloth and my spray. I made sure I cleared down all of the like countertops, and it's pretty much all clear everywhere. Now I'm just gonna wipe them down because the countertops are actually really dirty. They definitely need a wipe. Even my floors are gonna need a wipe. It's not looking cute. This was pretty quick, so my room wasn't that messy. It's probably more on the better side than my normal clean the rooms because it was actually really quick today to just put everything and organize. But you guys saw I recently just did kind of like a deep clean, got rid of clothes by cleaning my closet and doing all this stuff. So there's a lot less stuff in my room now because I'm trying to bring less and less to the new house so I don't have to worry. And then when I'm at the new house, buy new things. So we love a shopping queen. Gotta give a shout out to Rakuten because I'm gonna need some cash back after the amount of money that I'm going to spend. Now let's get into cleaning the countertops. I'm gonna go in now with this for my countertops. Honestly, the spritzer for on this was like working weird, so we're moving up to this one now. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it. I'm so happy everything is clean and good. Make sure you guys do enter the giveaway. I will have all the rules down below in the description box for you guys to win $100. Once you do sign up to your Rakuten, you also will get a $40. That is a limited time only. If you spend your first $40, you will get $40 for free. It is completely a win-win. Let me know right now if your room is messy. With that being said, it is time to pick up the keys, so I will catch you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I do upload every single week. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!